how to link Raid Shadow Legends account to Steam. For this, you will need to have Raid Shadow Legends on your PC and also Plarium Play. You can download it from the web, so just click on Plarium Play here. It's going to load up this. As you can see, I only have Raid Shadow Legends installed, and you want to click on Settings here. Now from within the settings, at the top overview, it's going to show us linked accounts. And if you want to link your Raid Shadow Legends account to Steam, you will just click on here, and then it's going to ask for the security code. So I'm just going to input it. Now what this is going to do is detect your Steam account as long as you are logged into it on the web, and it is going to be shared with Plarium. So basically you want to click on sign in here. So if you click on sign in, then as you can see, we have just connected it. So Nednom, that's me, that's my Steam account, and now it's linked to Raid Shadow Legends. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.